This too shall pass, which means in نیز بگذرد in Farsi. When something is happening that you're not happy or you are in a challenging part of your life, in Farsi we say in نیز بگذرد. It means this too shall pass and everything is going to be okay. So that is the meaning of this quote. And I also made another one which I love it. It's let's see, this one. It says بخند. بخند in Farsi means smile. So whenever you have this video, it reminds you smile to the world and the world will smile back to you. And this is one of the nice necklaces. I love it, and it can be a beautiful gift to your loved one and to your friends and to yourself. And you can even make your name in Farsi if you want. And this is one of the names that I made. In Farsi there is a girl name which we call it Asal. Asal in Farsi means honey. So how do you like the Asal name? And it can be your name, whatever name you want. And this one is very beautiful and special. This is a poem from Maulana, the Persian poet, and this beautiful Persian calligraphy, you can have it as a piece of necklace. How meaningful can be this necklace. And the meaning of this poem, I'm going to translate it for you. قطره تویی بحر تویی, you are a drop, you are the sea. لطف تویی قهر تویی, you are the grace, you are the anger. قند تویی زهر تویی, بیش میازار مرا. You are sugar, you are poison, don't hurt me more. The good news is you can have your own word, name, empowering quote, whatever you wish for as a piece of necklace, and I can make it for you. By the way, this is the Ishq Love in silver color, and the all material I use is stainless steel, gold filled. I can even make them in real gold, and if you wish, DM me for details. And if you like to see how are they as a piece of ring, check my other YouTube, that is link is in here. And yeah.